My wife lost 45 pounds and started wearing sexy clothes. But even more important than that, she became incredible in bed. I immediately suspected that something was wrong, and a friend of mine confirmed my suspicions.
She's definitely cheating on you. Where else could she have learned that?
Mark was a bachelor and flirted with every single girl he saw. He repeatedly pushed me to get a mistress. But there was always only one woman for me. Her betrayal would mean the end of the world to me. Directly asking my wife about cheating would be humiliating for her. So I quickly came up with a plan to clear things up. First, I lied to Nicole. Honey, I'm going to stay late at the bar with Mark. Don't wait up for me.
Don't drink too much. You have an important presentation tomorrow.
She was sure that I would spend the whole day at work, and that would be my trump card. I urgently called my assistant to my office. Take your coat off. You won't be leaving anytime soon. I ordered her to conduct the presentation for me. That morning, I caught Nicole taking on the phone. She was whispering and quickly hung up when I came in.
Honey, here's your coffee. Hurry up or you'll be late for work. I'm already late for yoga.
Of course, I went to spy on my wife instead of working. I immediately realized that she was lying to me. Nicole drove past the yoga center and stopped at an adult store. She spent an hour there and came out incredibly happy. She was holding a bag, but she didn't take it home. Instead, she took it to a hotel. Could Mark be right about my wife having an affair? Nicole herself distracted me from this terrible thought.
I'm waiting for you at the Adam and Eve Hotel at 5 p.m. Room 482. Don't be late. I have a surprise for you.
She didn't know that I was already there and was extremely anxious. 5 p.m. was still 7 hours away. Who was she going to spend the time with? Guests entered the hotel, one after the other, and there was a lot of single men among them. Could one of them be Nicole's lover? I could no longer control myself and went to the room. I leaned against the door and heard a familiar male voice. I got furious and started banging on the door, but Nicole wasn't opening. I know you're in there. I won't leave until you open the door.
But David, you should be at work. I'm not ready yet.
She didn't want to let me in, so I broke into the room and started looking for her lover. Where is he? I heard his voice. And this morning, you were whispering to him on the phone. Nicole pretended that she didn't know what I was talking about, but claimed that she had secretly booked the hotel room that morning. Suddenly, I saw a scene from my favorite movie on the TV screen behind her, and heard the same familiar voice again. It was the voice of one of the actors. Only then, I noticed that my wife was wearing an unusual outfit under the robe. She had prepared a role-playing scenario for me and wanted to learn the lines before I arrived. Nicole was angry at me for spoiling her surprise. I had to tell her about my suspicions because the change of her behavior was too sudden. Then she confessed.
It was you. You changed me. I mean, your words.
My wife reminded me that a couple of months before, Mark came to visit us and we stayed up late. That night, Nicole went downstairs to have some water and accidentally heard me say that I was not going to cheat on my wife. She's perfect for me, you know. We've been together for 10 years, and I'm still crazy about her smell, her body, her look. My words impressed her so much that her self-doubts and insecurities about her body instantly disappeared. She started losing weight because she no longer perceived it as a problem. Plus, I didn't like the new Nicole any less than the old one.
Well, you ruined the surprise. Now I have to improvise. Close the door. Things are about to get fun.
Remember, when we are certain that we are truly loved, we bloom like flowers.